How to copy the browse window verse. To copy the verse that appears in the browse window, you can click on the Copy button, then Copy Browse Window Verses, and choose the location where you wish to copy the verse. We'll use the Copy to Existing BW Editor for our illustration purposes here. When that selection is clicked, BibleWorks will copy the verse using the current search results version. There are options for copying from the browse window and for each location you may wish to copy verses from that is accessed from the Copy button, under Copy Format Options, or branching off each particular list under Configure Verse Copy Favorites. Or you can go to Tools, Options, Output Format Options, and then work with the verse list or range or selected browse text options. Let's go back to the Copy button and take a look at the Copy Browse Window Verses options. For our options under the Copy button, we can select where we wish to copy our material to. The Windows clipboard to then be pasted into Microsoft Word or another application. We can choose Copy to Microsoft Word to paste directly into a Word document that's open, copy into the existing BW editor in the analysis window, or copy into new BW editor, which will open the editor in a floating window. Since we have the Copy to Existing BW editor checkmarked, when I click on Configure Browse Copy Favorites, the BW Options window opens to the Copy options if I wish to copy the browse window verses to the Copy to Existing BW editor. I have a number of output format options available, and I can also indicate what versions I wish to include. You can copy browse window text in several other ways as well. One way to copy browse window text is to highlight the text, click on the right mouse button, and choose Copy Selected Text, and then choose where you wish to copy the text to. You can also highlight text and use Control-C to copy, to paste into the last location you designated for copying from the browse window. If you want to select all the text in the browse window, you can use the keyboard combination Control-A, a shortcut command to highlight all the text in the window, then again a Control-C, or a right-click and copy selected text to the location I wish to copy.